will ensure that we make these proceedings of the Honorable Court alive and in public domain, so that justice, sometimes which can be elusive, is seen to be done. Now today we celebrate a win. We celebrate a win from the Honorable Court. The court, through the Honorable Ndobi, has set at liberty, unless otherwise lawfully withheld, Mr. Nuru Okanga. The court has said in one accord that all those charges that were levied against him were false, they were untrue, and he has been set free. So we thank the Honorable Court, we thank the judiciary of the Republic of Kenya for always being free, for always standing independently against all the attempts of interference from the state. Most profoundly, I will wish to thank my colleagues who joined me in this journey. I will wish to thank you most sincerely. The Honorable Babu Owino, the incoming governor of Nairobi County, has always been there with us. I thank him for always finding time in his busy schedule to attend these proceedings. We don't take it for granted, Mheshimiwa, for you, committing your resources, committing your time, and always being there to stand with Mr. Nuru Okanga. Mr. Nuru Okanga is a representation of the hoi pollois in this country. He is the people who are at the very low cadre of our economy. He is, by all means, not deemed consequential in the Kenyan political matrix. But that as it is, the Honorable Babu Owino has always stood by him. He has made him know that he enjoys the same privileges as a member of parliament as any other politician within the Republic of Kenya. And for that, Mheshimiwa, we thank you. We have seen your heart. We have seen what you mean for the hoi pollois, the very low people in the political matrix of this Kenya. So we have seen that you're not about big names, you are about justice, you are about equality, you are about mnyonge apewe haki yake. And we thank you for that. So without saying much, what I will say and then take a rest is this. For the resources that have been wasted before this Honorable Court because of the false charges or accusations that Mr. Nuru Okanga was facing, we will retreat and come up with a way forward. It is not in order that we allow police officers to misuse public resources, to drag innocent people before the Honorable Court, only for the court to terminate the proceedings under Section 210 of the CPC. This is just to show you how premature the charges against Mr. Nuru Okanga were. Mr. Nuru Okanga spent approximately 21 days in police custody in the guise that the state was investigating these offenses. We have seen the court pronouncing itself, indicating that indeed it has been proved, even by the prosecution witnesses, that indeed Mr. Nuru Okanga was not the publisher of those, those fake or falsified information. Yes, AI-generated information. So for that reason, we will be suing the state. We will be suing the state so that the state can compensate him adequately and promptly for violating his rights. And this should be a message to all police officers, that in any event, if you are used to settle political scores, the law shall descend on you. And it shall descend on you so forcefully that you might live to regret why you even took the oath of being in that office. So I will rest, pave the floor to my colleagues so that they can spew a little wisdom. We are in the presence of the Honorable Babu Owino, and we thank him for that. Asante.
Thank you, Council Shadrach. Thank you so much. We will continue dispensing wisdom and knowledge simultaneously and carelessly. To members of the press, we want to take this opportunity to thank the court for freeing Mr. Nuru Okanga. The state decided to press trumped-up charges against Mr. Nuru Okanga, and the court has proven that indeed the charges were frivolous, were vexatious in nature, were scandalous, were premature, were rumors from rumor mills, were fickle, and any other negative adjective that I've not said describes them. And I want to say that this is another win for justice. This is another win, and the court has upheld the rights of the accused, who is now a free man, the rights of Mr. Nuru Okanga. And I want to state clearly that we are going to pursue this matter further, because the image, the reputation of Mr. Nuru Okanga was at stake. And we want to prove to the state that Mr. Nuru Okanga is not a criminal. And we want them to compensate Nuru Okanga for causing trauma, consternation, discomposure, and discomfiture of his spirits. Thank you. Abner?
Yes, it's a very happy morning for the legal team that represented Mr. Nuru Okanga in this matter from the onset. And we had a strong belief, and indeed we have been indicted, that these charges had no bearing at all. And to quote Counsel Wambui directly, that today indeed angels are singing in heaven and we shall be dancing on earth.
To shame the devil.
To shame the devil. So we are happy, and we shall not relent and stop there. We have mentioned to court that this is another example of the misuse of the very act, the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act. We shall be back before Justice Mogambi on 5th February in a petition filed by Kenyans, including Counsel Babu Owino, where we are challenging this very act. You can see how it is being misused. You can see how it is being used to persecute innocent Kenyans. For Mr. Nuru Okanga, we are happy. Continue doing the good job and do not fear anything. We shall still stand with you, and we shall ensure that those human rights violations that you faced, you shall get adequate compensation from these very courts. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Today is a beautiful day because justice has been granted to our client, who, as you all know, has told the court that he's a student. So today, as he goes back to school, he knows that his living certificate will not have bad records from the principal. And away from that, we shall also be moving to have his fingerprints expunged from the records so that his good conduct, because we know he's meant to vie for member of county assembly, so that his records are in good conduct. And we thank everyone, all of you, for always showing up for him. And we tell him, Finya Zaidi. Thank you very much.
Yes. Pati?
Yes. To have been granted the opportunity by my senior here, Babu Owino, and co-counsels in the matter. We have for the past 1 year undertaken the defense of one Nuru Maloba Okanga, who had been charged with 3 counts, all of which he has been acquitted by the court. This is a ruling that has gone to affirming that indeed free speech is protected under our constitution, and so is political speech. To that end, we have been instructed to sue at the High Court for redress and compensation for the 1 year that has been wasted on our client in court. And to that end, we are not yet done with the journey, and we'll update you on the progress.
Thank you, Counsel. Now Nuru Okanga to say something, because he's now a free man suffering from winner fatigue.
He has started well.
Asanteni sana my senior counsel, akiongozwa na incoming governor 2027 hii Nairobi. Mimi nakuheshimu mheshimiwa, na watu wote wangekuwa na idea kama yangu, hata upo ningesimama hapa Nairobi wangekuachia. Kwa nini niseme hivyo? Wakati nimekuwa nyumbani tangu Raila aende, nimekuwa nyumbani, nikapigia Babu simu nikamwambia kesi yangu imefika na sina fare. Babu akaniwekea 10,000. nimeingia jana jioni kwa mikono ya Babu Owino. Kama sio Babu, pengine ningetolewa warrant, ningekuwa nyumbani. So Babu umesimama na mimi. Zile vitu umenifanyia hata ndugu yangu hawezi nifanyia. Na pia hii kesi, kama ungechukua masini ya kanzu ukuwe msimamizi wao, ningefungwa. But hiyo akili uko nayo, Mungu akuongezea akili nyingine. Utakapokuwa gavana wa hii Nairobi, naomba nikuwe advisor wako kidogo kidogo.
Asante kabisa.
So mimi sitaongea mingi. I'm very happy. Today I'm very happy. Let me speak English today. I'm very happy. Niko na furaha chungu mzima kwa sababu nimeachiliwa huru. Sasa leo naenda kufocus on education na leo pia naenda kupiga mechi sawa sawa. Mekuwa muda sipigi mechi kwa sababu nakumbuka mambo ya koti na nisumbua akili kidogo. So leo Mr. Senior Kanzo Babu Owino na masenior Kanzo wote wale wakapa, wale wamenisaidia nikashinda hii kesi. Msimame na mimi nitaendelea kutetea Wakenya. Sitaogopa kitu yoyote. Kwa sababu mimi najua ninasimama kikatiba, naongea kikatiba. So asanteni sana pia watu wa media kusukuma hii content ili ifikie wale watu wengine ambao wajui nini naendelea. So mimi nitafungia hapo Senior Kanzo Babu Owino, hata ya kukula inafaa unipe hapa kwa kamera kwa sababu nimetumia yote. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Kuna any other council mwenye anataka kusema jambo? Just a word because it is a win for all. Just a word too in a minute.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa, for this opportunity. We are very happy with the ruling of the courts. It has set precedent which will now apply on the other cases which are coming. And we want to tell the state that it's so bad to persecute somebody when you know the charges are not effective to that effect. Will possess Mr. Nuru Okanga.
Yes, I'm here.
2026 is here. 2027 is for you. All the best in your political journey.
Thank you.
Asante.
Thank you, Council. Hiram, lastly, if you don't mind.
Good morning, members of the Fourth Estate. My name is Hiram Kirimi, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Today I want to congratulate the entire team, the legal team behind Nuru Okanga. They've done a good job. Justice has prevailed. We want to reiterate what my fellow colleagues have said. Nuru Okanga, usibabaishwe na usiogopeshwe. Endelea kufaitia Kenyans. You are doing a good job. We are here behind you. We will protect the Constitution of Kenya. We will not relent. So all the best and tuko imara.
Thank you.
Pro bono publico will
Yes.
continue.
Yes.
What do you think about the separate meetings between Nuru and Owino?
Between?
The separate meetings between Nuru Odinga and
Separate meetings.
Yes.
I think these are family issues and they are also political. They are weighty matters which should be looked into because there is a storm in ODM and that storm, people must come together. There must be an NBC that will ensure that that storm is solved. That party should be handed over with an immediate effect, and you are looking at the party leader as we speak. Yes, we don't need to disrespect anybody, but it is our time. There's nothing wrong with Moses, but it is Joshua's time.
Yes.
That is it. So it is upon you to decide whether you want the weakest Joshua or the strongest Joshua. Whether you want a Joshua who is Moses' age mate or older than Moses, or a Joshua who is younger than Moses. And that is what I can tell you. This is politics. We will play it as it comes because we are leaders who've been elected in this country. You saw the polls the other day, spoke very well. The polls stated clearly that Babu Owino should be the party leader at 33%, followed by my father, Honorable Dr. Oburu Odinga at 10%, followed by Gladys Wanga at 7%. And then the others shared 1%. So clearly, the people have spoken. What do you think, Father? The juice is worth the squeeze.
Yes.
Asanteni sana.
Where
Yes.
have you been missing
From?
from the ODM meetings?
But I've been attending ODM meetings. We don't have to be together. we can attend ODM meetings in different places and in different capacities. Yes.
Party leader.
Sawa sawa. Mnaona party leader hapa. We want things to move.